Okay, this is my mini baler. If you've seen the other videos, you know how it works. We're going to make some grass bales. Should have enough there for a couple bales. I'm going to use a little tripod today. See if we can get a little stabler shot here. I hope you'll be able to hear me talking. I'm going to give it a shot. First off, we'll put the strings in. Neighbors across the street gotta be yelling now, naturally. Try to do something like this. Bigger slot than needle. It will work. This block is used to compress the first bale against. Nothing fancy. You just pack your grass in. Shove it in there. Easy grass. Not too much more. Yeah, we'll do it. Lock it down. Then you got to fish the strings through the bottom. Do the bottom slot first. Just keep your string out of the way of the top one. Have some slack. Oh, we got tons of string. That might be a little short. Really have to appreciate Harley at a time like this. What I get for living in town, I gotta get out of here. Okay. Walk out. That's all we need to get in the boat. This goes in to stop the next bale. And you just pack more grass in. See the bale move. Start coming out. Oh, I hope I got enough. Yep. About all we got. Yeah, that'll make a difference. Might be a little lean. Takes 3 good knots to hold this string. It's slick. And it's sharp. It'll cut you. See, it doesn't take that long to make the next bale. That first one takes a little while to get started. And pull the stalk out. Pack more grass in it, and it'll push this bale out. There's what you get. Nice little grass bale. See if I can get the other one out. Oh, yeah. There's the second one. Takes a pretty good pile of grass to make 2 bales. That's how it works. Yeah, it stayed in focus. Okay, that's all there is to it. It's two little grass bales. Oh, they might weigh 3 pounds. That might be pushing it. They're not very heavy. I'm sure you could pack more in there. Just make them tighter and tighter. That's all there is to it.